Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Nicole from Zen Electric Bikes, and today we're diving into the premium internal gear hub. Our Samurai Premium e-bike is equipped with the Kinderny VII 7-speed internal gear hub. This gear hub won the Gold Award at Eurobike in 2021 for its innovative, light, and heavy-duty design. This gearbox has a range of 427% and can handle heavier loads as it can tolerate up to 160 Newton meters of torque. This gearbox is light and heavy duty to keep you on the road longer. Let's talk about shifters. The Kinderny comes with either a onesie or a twosie. Like the name implies, the onesie has both of the shifters on one side of the handlebars. This is great for e-bikes as it reduces how many buttons and grip shifters and everything like that are on each side of the handlebar. The twosie splits up the shifters and has one on the left and one on the right side of the handlebars. Our premium Samurai e-bike comes with the onesie, but if you'd like the twosie, please tell us in your order and we'd be happy to make the change. This system uses hydraulic cables to communicate with the gearbox. As you shift your shifter, it will move the hydraulic fluid up and down and change the gear for you. This is really great as it's very low maintenance. Every time you get your oil change is probably a good time to look at your shifters and see if your hydraulic fluid needs to be changed as well, but it's very low maintenance. Unlike other mechanical gearboxes on the market, the hydraulic fluid allows for a really clean, tactile shift every time. There's no skipping a gear with this internal gearbox. This system weighs 3.2 pounds, which is extremely light on the market. One really unique feature about the system is that you can actually upgrade to the Kinderny 14-speed internal gear hub and not have to change your swap cage or rear wheel, as it's already laced for both applications. It's as easy as sliding it in and out of the swap cage, bolting it down and connecting it to your system. You can easily do this with the 7-speed or 14-speed, whatever you desire. Internal gearboxes are known to be low maintenance. As this is fully covered and sealed from the elements, you don't have to worry about it rusting or riding through water and snow and having to maintain it every single time you ride. This gearbox is fully calibrated from the factory. Therefore, you don't have to calibrate it when you get it, and it should never have to be adjusted as it's set for lifetime. One thing to note is that after your first 500 kilometers, you'll need to change the oil. After that, you should be able to ride up to 5,000 kilometers before needing another oil change. You can either take this on and do it yourself, or take your bike to a local bike shop and they'd be happy to do it for you for an additional charge. Designed for power, cadence, and convenience for e-biking, this gearbox won't let you down. You'll spend more time riding and less time worrying. Thanks so much for joining us this week. Make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below. We'll catch you next week.